This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Hey guys, here we are. We're in a 1960s home. If you haven't seen our stab lock electrical panel video we did recently, go check that one out because this is the same house. So this is a sub panel here in the basement of this home. 1960s home, like I said. Here we've got upstairs we've got an old, outdated electrical panel that can be a hazard. Here we've got a fuse box, basically. So you can see we've got these screw-in fuses. We've got old snake skin looking wiring throughout this whole house. Here we've got a 2-prong outlet, which is pretty standard for this type of wiring. So all in all, this whole home really needs an update to the electrical system. A couple things I want to note here. So obviously these are outdated. They've got some spare screws here. Screw-in fuses, so you can swap those out. You can see they're missing one here. Another thing I'll point out to you is these are not designed to have multiple wires running to each of the fuses. We typically don't suggest this in a normal, updated, modern electrical panel either, but that could potentially be pulling too much power. Maybe that's why they've got the spare screw-in fuses, just so you know, they have been maybe potentially burning through fuses because they're pulling too much power. So rather than for a modern breaker it would trip, in this case these will burn up and stop working. So that's why you replace them. So again, we're just going to update, or suggest a full update here, at least an evaluation if nothing else. Make sure that this whole electrical system here is working properly. As far as we can tell, it is, but some updates and repairs are definitely needed. So again, this is Brandon, the Home Inspector. We'll see you on the next one.